Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Friday, July 23rd, 2021. We are in week number 29 of the year. I haven't done any trades this week. I mean, I had some limit orders that did get triggered, but I haven't been very active this week in trading. So it's probably another week where I'll show some losses. But let's go on. But before we go on to the actual trades today, let me show you something real quick. Join me here, Investing 102 on Facebook group if you want to chat and level up your investment thinking. Again, I cover a little bit of everything: crypto, options, stock market, dividends, real estate, insurance, a little bit of everything. So you can reach me there. You can learn to level up your investment thinking. So with that being said, let me go straight to E-Trade and do some trades. On the first one, I want to try to roll this. It's in the money today. It expires today. It's in the money. I want to roll this cover call. I want to try to see, can I get, I may even lose money rolling this, but I'm going to try some stuff. But I just wanted to show you what I'm doing first. I'll let you know how much I get afterwards. And the first trade went across. I did roll it out. I added 3 more weeks. I moved it at $1 full because it is in the money. I did collect a small premium. You can see that. If you do the math, that's about $40. And the purpose of this is about 3 weeks ago, I actually added some more shares of Skechers, and I got it at $49 and change. So this covered call, even if it gets called away, I got the shares less than the current market price. So you're not really losing money here. So the strategy now is you want to try to roll it up, collect a small premium, and remember, each time you roll the strike price, this is still money in the pocket if the shares get called away. Otherwise, you're just making money on the premium. So the goal is try to do 2 things. You collect positive premium, and then you also try to move the strike price up. So let's look for the next trade. Okay, I have an Iron Condor on Microsoft that looks really bad. So I want to close this out, and I'll probably roll it out 2 months or something like that. So we'll see what happens. We'll close this out. This thing expires next week, but it's close to being in the money, and I actually lost money on this. Okay, so what you're going to notice is I did roll Microsoft from a July contract, and I moved it up $5. And then I did have to push this out past August. I collected a small premium, but that don't mean I'm out of this trade yet. What I'm going to do is now throw on the put side now to collect some more premium. And there you go. I just completed the put side. And hopefully I did that right. I want to make sure. I'm going to double check everything. And here's a quick update. I did some, so I finished rolling my Microsoft. I fixed the put. I had a mistake. I actually picked 2022. So I had to close that out, re-put it back out there. So I fixed all of that. You can see that I have a lot of Microsoft trades now. So I had to clean it up. And then on top of that, I do have a August 20th. So that's about 30 days away still. And I wanted to roll up the put side because it's being tested on the call side. So again, I don't want to make it sound like I'm converting it to an iron butterfly, which I'm not. I'm just narrowing it down, and it sort of looks like that that's what I'm doing, but I'm trying to reduce some risk as I'm rolling it. And I'm not ready to roll the August ones yet, but that's why I'm tightening it up, making it less wide for my Iron Condor. So I moved it up $15, I think, is what I end up doing on the put side. So let me see what else trades I can do next. Okay, for the next 2 trades, I did roll this one out, and you see this is the Chinese stock. I think this is the Chinese Netflix. And you know, China stocks are coming under pressure. So what I want to do is, even if it's downtrending, I want to roll this out further and collect some premium. And here you see it. I did collect another $60 on this one. The shares may not be worth it. I have no idea what's going to happen. I did something similar with RGP. This is a consulting business. I rolled it out. Same thing. I moved it out 3 months or 2 months further out. The problem with this one is the strike prices are at $2.50 increment, and there's not a lot of volume. So it doesn't give you a lot of choices. So the best thing I'm going to do is roll it up for $40. And my cost basis on this is like 13.5 or something like that, 13.70. So I'm already in them. I mean, I'm in profit because it's less than my cost basis. So that's what I'm doing. Let me see if there's any other trades I can do today. So I just finished my PAYC. So let me explain what I did here. I made profit on this one. You see that I made 50 cents profit. On this one, I made 40 cents. I only held it for about 2 weeks. I did make 40 cents each on free contract. So what I ended up doing was, since I've been following it, PAYC has moved up from about 270 or so to about, I think it's free. Did I Google it yet? No. But I know it's up again. It's up big today. So what I end up doing is, because it's up another $4, I decided to reduce my risk, create an Iron Condor. I moved the put side up because you are at 390. So that's $60 down move. And on the upside, if you do the math, you're $60 away on that side also. So I created a new Iron Condor, collected $100 credit. So we'll see what happens. Again, I'm trying to use time decay to make money on PAYC. This is really hot, but it's you get a little bit of premium because of that. But there is a lot of volatility, so I'm going out with a little safer delta, a little bit further away. Okay, took a little break here, but I had to do another trade. This is a cover call on Energy Transfer. You see that I rolled it up and out, collected $21, and I'll show you that real quick. Let me just show you what happened. So Energy Transfer is downtrending. I did buy I bought another 100 shares at $11, I think, but my average cost is still less, still less, and you'll see it right here. I bought some shares recently right here. Did I do that right? Hang on one second. Energy Transfer right here, 100 shares at $11.20. So in order to fix that, what I did was I rolled this cover call so it's close to the price that I got it in, collecting premiums. Remember, I have 2 of them here. I have a put here. So I'm trying to make money on both sides with this one. Not a big position I have. You see that this is $2,000. So I'm playing both sides of it. And over time, the goal is to make money regardless of what happened. This was $11. Remember that. This is $11 not too long ago, because that's when I got in. A month ago, I got in at 11. But you see, if you go back a year, I got in much cheaper. I got in at $7.62. So a difference a year makes, but I see potential to make money playing this, so that's why I bought more shares. Okay, so here you can see that was my last trade for today, my edit toss, and I was just rolling a cover call with earnings. Market did finish. It's after 4 o'clock. Market is closed. This is a great week. It started off really bad with a big 900-point down Monday, but everything else looked good. Let me show you what happened at the end of this week. If you look at the last 5 days, everything is at new all-time high, so everybody should be happy this weekend. And technology is up. A lot of big companies are doing well. Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Apple. A lot of these things are hitting new highs. Visa's at a new high. There's a lot of good stuff happening right now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share this with other people. There's some other videos that you can see in my playlist that are not just trading, but more of a teaching type concept. So make sure you watch those. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.